Hey guys, welcome back to the channel at Carog765, your ultimate destination for classic cars, trucks, and automotive legends from all eras. If you love the charm, history, and sheer character of American classic vehicles, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Today, we have something truly iconic on our hands. A truck that defined toughness, utility, and style in the late 70s, the 1978 Ford F-250 Crew Cab. This is one of those vehicles that not only serves as a workhorse but also as a rolling piece of automotive history, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around till the end because this one has stories that go far beyond horsepower and torque. Let's start with a 1-minute hook. Imagine cruising down a dusty backroad in a truck that feels like it was built to take on anything. The engine growls, the chrome glimmers in the sun, and the cabin is roomy enough to fit your entire crew, tools, and maybe even a few memories from decades past. That's what the 1978 Ford F-250 Crew Cab is all about. It's more than a truck, it's a statement, a piece of Americana, and a reminder of a time when vehicles were made with purpose, durability, and heart. The 1978 Ford F-250 Crew Cab belongs to Ford's sixth generation of F-Series trucks, a lineup that has long been known for combining rugged performance with thoughtful design. What makes this truck special is its crew cab configuration. While the standard F-250 was already impressive for its capability, the crew cab offered extended seating for up to 6 passengers, making it perfect for large families, ranchers, and anyone who needed to transport both people and cargo without compromising on durability. Back in 1978, not every truck had this feature, so owning a crew cab version was a mark of practicality and foresight. Under the hood, the F-250 came with a range of engine options that could satisfy both casual drivers and those needing serious towing capacity. You had the choice between a 5.8-liter V8, a 6.6-liter V8, and even a 7.5-liter V8, alongside an optional 6.6-liter inline-six that was famed for its longevity. Ford's engineers designed these engines with torque in mind, which meant hauling heavy loads, towing trailers, and conquering tough terrain wasn't just possible, it was effortless. Coupled with a 4-speed manual transmission, these trucks offered the driver full control over their power and performance. Many enthusiasts today swear by the raw, mechanical feel of these engines, as they connect you to the road in a way modern trucks often can't replicate. Now, let's talk about the exterior because the 1978 F-250 Crew Cab is a visual treat. Its boxy design, long hood, and robust fender flares exude authority. The front grille is unmistakable, with that bold Ford lettering and wide rectangular headlights that give it a commanding presence on any road. Chrome bumpers, side mirrors, and trim highlight the truck's craftsmanship, while the two-tone paint schemes of the era provide a touch of elegance alongside rugged utility. Whether you find one in its original paint or a restored beauty, there's something timeless about the way this truck looks, classic yet unapologetically bold. Step around to the bed, and you'll see that functionality was never compromised for style. The F-250 came with a long bed option, perfect for hauling tools, equipment, or even a small livestock trailer. Ford offered various bed finishes, including a protective liner or wood inserts, showing that attention to detail was important even in the late 70s. Crew cab owners didn't have to sacrifice cargo space for extra seating, making this truck a dream for anyone needing versatility. Moving inside, the cabin of the 1978 F-250 Crew Cab reflects the no-nonsense approach of American trucks of the era. The interior was spacious, with bench seating that could accommodate 3 passengers in both the front and back rows. Materials were durable, designed to withstand heavy use, but they also offered a touch of comfort that made long drives bearable. The dashboard was straightforward, featuring analog gauges for speed, fuel, and temperature, along with a simple layout of knobs and switches. It was functional, yes, but also satisfying to operate. Every control felt tactile and precise, a quality many modern vehicles seem to lack. One of the remarkable things about the crew cab is how it redefined the truck experience. Before trucks like this, full-sized pickups were mostly utilitarian vehicles. Ford changed that by offering a model that could transport people in comfort while maintaining all the rugged capabilities that made the F-Series famous. Farmers, construction workers, and adventurers alike found the F250 crew cab indispensable, and that legacy continues among collectors and enthusiasts today. Driving the 1978 F250 is an experience steeped in nostalgia. The steering is heavy but responsive, giving you a sense of connection to the road. The suspension is designed to handle heavy loads, so even when fully packed, the truck rides smoothly over bumps and uneven terrain. Acceleration is measured but deliberate, and there's a satisfying growl from the V8 engines that makes you feel like you're commanding a piece of machinery built to endure. This is not a truck for speed demons, it's for those who value strength, reliability, and character. Another noteworthy aspect is the F250's off-road capability. Many models came with 4x4 options, giving drivers the confidence to tackle mud, snow, and rocky terrain. Combined with the truck's high ground clearance and durable construction, the F250 could go places most modern SUVs might hesitate. This capability made it a favorite among ranchers, outdoorsmen, and anyone who needed a vehicle that could handle more than just paved roads. It's a testament to Ford's vision of building a truck that wasn't afraid to get its hands dirty while still looking impressive parked in a driveway. Collectors today appreciate the 1978 F250 crew cab not just for its performance but also for its historical significance. This was a time when American trucks were beginning to evolve from purely functional workhorses to vehicles that balanced utility with comfort and style. Restored examples fetch impressive prices at auctions, and original condition trucks are highly sought after by enthusiasts who value authenticity. Owning one isn't just about driving, it's about preserving a piece of automotive heritage. Let's also give credit to the versatility of the F250. Whether used as a family vehicle, a farm truck, or even a weekend adventure companion, this truck adapts to the owner's needs seamlessly. With the crew cab's extra seating, long bed options, and powerful engine choices, it could do it all. Imagine loading up camping gear for a weekend in the mountains, towing a boat to the lake, or hauling firewood for the winter. The F250 crew cab was built to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Even today, the 1978 Ford F250 crew cab holds a special place in automotive culture. Vintage truck shows often feature these models prominently, and they draw attention from enthusiasts of all ages. There's something magical about seeing a well-preserved F250 roll down the street, with its classic silhouette, gleaming chrome, and unmistakable engine sound. It's a reminder of an era when trucks were built to last, with character and soul that modern vehicles sometimes lack. Maintenance on these trucks, while not as simple as modern vehicles with electronic diagnostics, is straightforward for those who enjoy hands-on work. The engines are robust, parts are still relatively available through specialty suppliers, and the mechanical simplicity allows owners to perform many repairs themselves. For enthusiasts, this hands-on nature adds to the charm of owning a classic F250. You're not just driving a truck, you're interacting with a piece of living history. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting the impact of this truck on Ford's legacy. The F-Series has remained America's best-selling truck for decades, and vehicles like the 1978 F250 crew cab laid the foundation for that dominance. By proving that a truck could be both rugged and accommodating, Ford set a standard that competitors would chase for years to come. Every modern F-Series owes a debt to these classic models, and understanding them gives you a deeper appreciation for the trucks we see on the roads today. So, to summarize, the 1978 Ford F250 crew cab is more than just a vintage truck. It's an icon of American engineering, a testament to durability, and a symbol of versatility. Its combination of powerful engine options, spacious cabin, rugged exterior, and off-road capability makes it a standout in automotive history. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates the golden era of trucks, it's a vehicle that inspires admiration and respect. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the 1978 Ford F250 crew cab, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to @Karog765 for more classic car content. We cover everything from vintage trucks and luxury classics to rare finds and automotive legends, all delivered with the appreciation they deserve. And if you want to see more detailed walkthroughs, restoration stories, and driving impressions, make sure to turn on notifications so you're always the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching, and remember, the 1978 Ford F-250 Crew Cab isn't just a truck, it's a rolling testament to a time when American trucks were built with heart, grit, and endless capability. Keep appreciating these classics, and I'll see you in the next video.